Okay, I've been asked how would I go about making my module look a bit nicer. This module in front of us here, the Foundations of Knitting, it's a very plain looking one. Let's see if we can find something that looks a bit nicer. Here's one that has some images in it. A lot nicer layout. So how can we get to that? Well, first of all I have to tell you that there's a particular item that you can add into Moodle Pages, and it's called a label. A label is just some writing, text and images that you can put in. It doesn't link anywhere, it just shows in the page. So chances are these things that you see here are labels. Now, let's go back to my plain course on knitting. Okay, let's see if we can add in a little image to make it look a bit better, maybe here at the top. Okay, let's, first of all, as usual, you must turn editing on. Okay, and labels are resources, so it's under add a resource. Okay, add a resource, insert a label. Now what we have here is a box with a rich text editor. You may have come across this before. It's very similar to how you post discussion forum entries, you know, if you're posting a message in a discussion forum, and there are many other places where you can see this rich text editor. That means that it has all these icons up here that you can make the text look a bit fancier than normal, and also add in images. So what we do here is let's just add in an image, simple as that. Insert an image. Okay, now we have every Moodle course or module, whichever you prefer to call it, has its own storage area, and there are various things in there. Okay, and I see that there's, what I want to do is, I see there's an image of a sheep there already, but it's not the image I want, so I need to get another image that I happen to have stored on my own computer up into the Moodle storage area. So what I actually need to do now is we need to select the image you want off your own computer. Let's see, it's in my documents. I think I have it in staff development and in a place called Moodle. And can we see oh, here's an image of a sheep. I'm going to rename that there now, by the way, because I think we already have a sheep image there, so we'll call it sheep 1. Okay, now I'm just going to click on that. Click open. It's selected that on my own PC, and that's listed down here. You can't see it all, but it is listed down there. So let's upload that. And what that's doing is that's transferring it across the internet into my Moodle storage area in this particular course. Oh, uploaded successfully. Okay, now let's go and see if we can find it. And it should be called Sheep 1. Oh, there it is there. Okay, so I'm going to select that, and now, where is it? We probably, oh, yes, no, it's listed here, and there it is there. Okay, in case there's any visually impaired people, we might want to just put a little image, or a little explanation. An image of a sheep. Okay. That should do fine. Said okay, and there it's popped it in there. It's a bit big, I have to say. So I'm going to pull this corner and pull it down like that. That should make it smaller. Grab that corner again. Actually, there's a little thing here. If your window here for editing is a bit small, there's a little pop-out window here. Just pop that out. This will give us a big editor. Now, and let's get that sheep down what size we want it. Okay, and we have to pop it back in again. And there it is in there. Okay, and that's all we're going to do. We've just inserted a label in. We could insert some text here as well. Actually, there is one other thing I want to do. I want to make sure that it's over on the left, so I'm going to click on that and click on the insert image icon, because there is something I forgot to set here. It's the alignment. I want it to the left. Okay? Right. No, not right. Left. Okay, save and return to course. Now, it's not quite where I wanted it. I wanted it up a little bit above these things, or with those to the side. So remember that you can use this icon to move things. So let's move that. And we put it there. Let's see how that goes. And because it's aligned to the left, it'll put those on the right. Still doesn't look as nice as it could. So let's turn editing off. And there, that looks a bit better there. And that's how to put an image into your Moodle course. Make it look a bit better. Bye now.